Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation 8 to the power a multiplied by 8 to the power a equal to 200. So let's see solution from here. So we are given 8 to the power a multiplied by 8 to the power a equals 200. So here, from the rule of indices, we have a to the power a multiplied by a to the power a, and this becomes 8 to the power of 2a equals 200. So here we have 8 and here is 200, and we cannot express 200 as the base of 8 and be perfect. So what we do is we introduce log on both sides. We have log 8 to the power of 2a equals log 200. And by rule of logarithm, we have 2a here, which becomes the base of this. It comes to the base as 2a log 8 equals log 200. Then let's divide both sides by log 8. So by dividing by log 8, we have log 8 cancelled log 8. Here we have 2a equals log, so 200 we can express it as 8 multiplied by 25 divided by log 8. Then by rule of logarithm, suppose we have log a multiplied by b, so this equals log a plus log b. Then from here we have 2a equals, we separate this as log 8 plus log 25 divided by log 8. And by basic of algebra, we separate this as log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 25 divided by log 8. So next we have 2a equals log 8 are the same, they cancelled, and we have 1 plus, here we have log 25 divided by log 8. So for this 25 and 8, we can write 25 as 5 to the power 2 and 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So here we have 2a equals 1 plus log 5 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3. And by rule of log, we have 2a equals 1 plus, so these two will come down as 2 like this. We have 2 log 5 divided by also 3 log 2. So, and anytime we have log a divided by log b, this is equals log a base b. So we have to consider this important rule of logarithm. So here we have 2a equals 1 plus, we call this one 2 over 3 log 5 base 2. And since we need the value of a here, we divide both sides by 2 from here. So 2 cancel 2, as we have a equals 1 plus 2 over 3 log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. And this is the result for the value of a, as we are going to check in the given question if this truly equal or not. And suppose we are given 8 to the power a, which is just like 8 raised to power 2a equals 200. And when we substitute the value of a to this place, we have 8 raised to power 2 bracket, and we get the value of a as 1 plus 2 over 3 log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. I want to check if this equals 200. So we have to cancel 2, as we have 8 raised to power 1 plus 2 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then this is just like the power of everything here on 8, as we are going to consider this rule that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is the same thing as a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then we have this as 8 raised to power 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2 over 3 log 5 base 2. We want to check if this equals 200. Here is 8 to the power 1, that is 8 multiplied by, so we can write this 8 as 2 to the power of 3, then multiply by 2 over 3 log 5 base 2. So if this 3 cancel 3, we have 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 log 5 base 2. Remember, we are still checking if this equals 200. And from here, we have 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of, when we take this 2 to the power of 5, we have 2 raised to power log 5 raised to power 2 base 2. I want to check if this equals 200. And suppose we have a raised to power of log b base a. This is the same thing as b, and we have to consider this rule as well. Then from here, we have 8 multiplied by 2 raised to power. So since we have common base here, we take 5 to the power of 2. I want to check if this equals 200. Then from here, we have 8 multiplied by 5 to the power 2, that is 25. And 8 multiplied by 25, this equals 200. That is, the left hand side equals the right hand side, as the solution we get satisfies this. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.